If you've ever sat down to a glass of nitrogenated stout at the bar, or maybe you have a can at home with one of those little widgets in it, you've seen a cascade of bubbles fall down the side of the glass as it pours in. It's a crazy phenomenon. I always understood it to be the fact that nitrogen in solution makes tiny little bubbles, and those can actually be pushed down. So that explains some of it, but I didn't understand it fully. So I found an article in the American Journal of Physics that goes a little bit further and mentions that the glass shape actually has a big impact on whether this happens or doesn't happen. And so in a classic pint glass shape, they claim that the bubbles will fall down the side and then up through the center in a circular motion like that. So if you have a glass shape like that, it will happen. And they claim that in a glass like this, which is a wine glass, it's not made for this, with the opposite shape, you'll actually have the opposite thing happen. So you'll have a circular flow this way where the bubbles are rising up like they would in a classic beer. So I've never tried it before, really curious to see if it happens. So we're gonna pour into both, we're gonna see what happens, and then we'll drink some too.
Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful cascade of bubbles. It almost looks like magic. Oh my God, they're going up. The bubbles actually do go up in the wine glass. That's crazy.
It works. So it worked. That was crazy. Thanks for watching, playing along with me. I think I'm gonna go for this one. So from America's Test Kitchen, happy St. Patrick's Day, and cilantro? Sláinte. Cheers.